Hi, this is Travis Dastrup. I've been doing sprinkler repair for this is my 4th season, and today we're going to show you how to repair and replace a simple sprinkler. Alright, this is a common sprinkler issue that people face. We call it the geyser, where a lawnmower may have come by and cut off the top of it. And you'll see the major issue here. The thing it does is it takes the pressure out of the other heads, so they're usually short and become short. Okay, another common issue with the bad sprinkler is a split on the side of it right here. Another thing that could happen is it might spray water out around here. If it won't tighten, then it needs to be replaced if it's cracked. So we'll go turn off the water now and replace it. Alright, so when you've figured out that this actual sprinkler is broken here, and you want to replace it and fills with water, it's helpful to get the water out to see what fitting you need to thread onto. It's great if you have a great siphon pump. If not, a little cup, a little plastic cup, you shake the water out. Alright, so what we did here is we pumped out the water so we can see what's going on. This particular way is hooked onto a hose with a fitting here that comes up and has 1/2-inch threads. Sometimes it will be threaded directly onto a riser fitting in the PVC pipe. In this case, it's hooked to this hose. Either way, you're going to unscrew it from the threads and replace your sprinkler with a good one, with a new one. And then you'll just fasten it on, righty-tighty, till it's snug. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's below concrete level, in case you live in an area where there's snow plows. It won't come along and chop off your top of the sprinkler and cause you to replace it again. Also, when it's on the hose is nice because you can adjust it to be plumb and shoot with the level of the ground. Okay, so when you're putting in a new sprinkler head, sometimes when you take the other one apart, dirt or rocks get in there. So we need to flush out the system. So before you go ahead and put on the nozzle on the top, which I'll show you about, you're just gonna go turn on the system for a few seconds to get the water, any dirt that might have got in there to come out. Once you've flushed out the system and the water's clean and there's no blockage of rocks or dirt, the next thing that you do with this sprinkler is install a filter. So you put the filter in first, and then this nozzle has threads on the inside. Some sprinklers have the opposite threads where on the outside. This particular head is a Rainbird 1800 4-inch pop-up, which is my favorite to install. So we go ahead and put our nozzle on and twist it to the right until it gets enough thread, which this happens sometimes if you don't quite spin it on enough. You need to get it on enough so that when you pull up the head, it's on the riser here, and just tighten it so it's snug. And then you'll notice on the top, this one says 15Q, which stands for quarter. And over here, there'll be little ridges, little lines with 2 circles on the side. That shows you where it's gonna spray if it were on right now. And since this is a 45 corner, we're gonna line up those circles, those little dots on the top, and the lines to the pathway of the lawn. And you just do that by grabbing the neck below where you twisted the nozzle, the sprinkler nozzle on, right here, and you twist, and you'll notice it makes this little noise. And that's just, it's not you're breaking it, that's what happens. So now you've adjusted it, we'll put back in the dirt and set it where we want, at the angle we want, and we'll turn it on and do a final adjustment. And now your sprinkler system is back in repair. All right, we have our working sprinkler sighted. It looks like it's going a little bit left on the cement and missing our lawn a little bit here. So we're just gonna grab the neck below where we twisted on the nozzle, and you just twist it the way you want it to go so your water lines up with your edge. And you're back in business. All right, thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. If you have any other videos that you'd like us to make on how to sprinkler repair, please write in the comments below.